Let's see how to make my iPad not turn off after 30 seconds. In the first step, open Settings, then go to Display and Brightness. Now tap on Auto Lock, then set the time you want. In the next step, open Settings. After that, go to Battery. Later switch off low power mode if turned on. In the next step, open Settings. Now go to Accessibility. Next, tap on Display and Text Size. After that, disable Reduce White Point. In the next step, open Settings. Now go to Accessibility. After that, tap on Motion. Next, make sure Reduce Motion is off. In the next step, open Settings. Next, go to Face ID and Passcode. Next, turn on Attention Aware features. You are good to go.